Hi guys, I am Asif Ali and you're watching CGHOW video, and today I have created this cool curl noise effect. I created custom curl noise, that is static initial curl noise. You can see you can make these type of effect with this. So I have already a folder called static curl noise, and I will create a label here, and then I will create a Niagara particle system. I'll take this fountain fx. So let's remove these unwanted, and I'll use the burst maybe 10,000 just to visualize you, and loop maybe 5, and life also 5, and size maybe 10, and scale of sphere is 100. So I have these particles spawning on sphere, and you can use the surface only band, so particle will only emit on a surface.